Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to find the caves in the new cave/bat update in 99 Nights in the Forest. And let's get straight into the video. So you should be able to basically just find the caves anywhere across the map, but it should be quite close to your campfire. For example, there's one literally right here. It's barely far, and once you find a cave, it should kind of look like a smaller version of the wolf caves where you have to find the missing children. Anyways, once you find the cave, you can go ahead and enter the cave, and then once you enter the cave, this should be you could basically just explore from here. The bat should be here. Just be careful. I'm not too sure how you're supposed to avoid it, but I guess maybe just don't make noise, don't move, etc. But you should be able to go through the cave from here. You can explore. I would assume that there is a chest at the end of the cave or something similar, some type of reward like there was for the other maze update that there was. Okay, so there's a door here, so I would assume you probably need to do something to unlock the door. You might need the gems like you did for the frog or whatever. So I'm not too sure how to open this door yet, but if you probably keep exploring the cave, you can figure it out. But that was basically just how to get to the cave itself. Oh, so okay, so you need to fully charge this crystal. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Well, I mean, now I can't do it right now, but that was basically just how to get to the cave. Anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.